Hello, and welcome back to another edition of the Laughing Place Video News Update. I'm Becca Burbank, here to bring you the latest Disney parks, movies, and TV news for August 4th, 2021. First up this week, the Disneyland Resort has revealed its replacement for the former annual pass program. The new Magic Key program has 4 tiers, including one that's exclusive to Southern California residents, with prices ranging from $399 to $1,399 per year. The biggest change is that the new system requires guests to make reservations for when they plan to visit, and the number of reservations one can hold at a time will be determined by what level key they have. Additionally, each tier has its own blackout date calendar, similar to the previous program. Otherwise, familiar perks are still in place, such as dining discounts, merchandise discounts, and more. For all of the details on Magic Key, be sure to visit laughingplace.com or check the links in the description box down below. If you've been dreaming of boarding the Star Wars Galactic Starcruiser coming to Walt Disney World next year, then it's time to start saving up your credits. This week, Disney released the first pricing info for the experience, along with a sample itinerary. For a 2-night stay on most weeknights from August 20th, 2022 to September 17th, 2022, a cabin with 2 guests would cost approximately $1,209 per guest per night, for a total of $4,809 for the voyage. Meanwhile, a cabin with 3 adults and 1 child would be approximately $749 per guest per night, for nearly $6,000 total. Of course, these figures are subject to change based on a number of factors. As for the types of activities Starcruiser guests can expect, a sample itinerary shows such sessions as sabacc lessons, a captain's reception, a dinner with live music, and of course a trip to Batuu. Expect to hear much more about the ambitious Star Wars Galactic Starcruiser experience as we await its maiden voyage next year. Over at Disneyland Paris, the resort has debuted its new Premier Access program. With this offering, guests can buy their way to shorter waits on such attractions as Big Thunder Mountain, Peter Pan's Flight, Ratatouille the Adventure, and more. While prices start at €8 per ride, on the system's first day, some Premier Access passes went for as much as €15 per ride, although these are subject to change. Premier Access passes can be purchased in the Disneyland Paris app, as well as at City Hall or Studio Services. Disney Plus has given fans a first look at their upcoming series Doogie Kamealoha MD, starring Peyton Elizabeth Lee, and inspired by the classic Neil Patrick Harris vehicle Doogie Kameāloha MD. The new show follows 16-year-old Lahila Doogie Kamealoha as she struggles to balance her personal and professional life. The streamer also announced a premiere date for the new show, so you can check in on Doogie Kamealoha MD starting September 8th, with new episodes releasing each Wednesday. Finally this week, Disney Plus has announced that another one of its original series has been renewed for a sophomore season. The Mighty Ducks Game Changers will take the ice for Season 2 sometime in 2022. The show, which follows the popular film franchise, stars Lauren Graham, Brady Noon, returning star Emilio Estevez, and others. You can catch up on Season 1 of Mighty Ducks Game Changers, as well as the original Mighty Ducks film trilogy, streaming now on Disney+. And that will do it for this week's Laughing Place Video News Update. For more on the latest news from around the Walt Disney Company, be sure to visit laughingplace.com and subscribe to our channel right here on YouTube. Until next time, bye-bye!